All right, and with the holidays right around the corner, there are some major updates to Google Ads that will help you in Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and to get you out of the red and into the black. And I want to talk about three major changes that have happened recently with Google Ads and how you can use them to succeed. First off, we've heard about this before, but Google launched, or they had announced it before, and it's going to be rolling out, and it's called POAS, or POAS is what we're calling it, but it's basically, instead of return on ad spend, it's profit on ad spend. So if you have the ability to upload to your feed or include in your feed your cost of goods sold, you can then, instead of going and saying, I want to go after revenue, Google might, if you're going in that revenue route, it might go after things that sell easily and might not have the most profit to them. So instead, if you put that cost of goods sold into your feed and Google understands how much it takes to sell a product, you can instead optimize towards profit, which is a big deal for anybody in e-com. And we do a ton of e-com here at Cypress North. The only downside to consider with this is that you are giving all your business data to Google, and you should just know these things when you do it, right? Like, we've seen some degradation, I would say, with some bidding types and things of that nature. And it's just choice that you have to make. And if you need help making that choice, you can reach out to us and we can help guide you in that fashion. Another change that is coming here, allegedly in Q4, is negative keyword targeting at the campaign level for PMax campaigns. And when PMax launched, frankly, I didn't love it. Google has really been working hard on making PMax perform better and giving some more control to PMax. And with negative keywords, you'll be able to go through and say, oh, I want to negate this brand, or I want to negate my brand, and I want to try to really steer the AI-powered machine that is PMax to deliver the best results. So that is coming here as well in Q4. And then lastly, a kind of shocking change on the cusp of the biggest season for retail is the change with how Google handles Performance Max with a product feed and how it handles shopping campaigns. For a long time, PMax has taken precedence over all of your shopping campaigns, meaning that if you have a shopping campaign with a product in it and you have a PMax campaign with the same product, your shopping campaign will basically not show. And with this new change that is now live, Google will allow you to run both, and it will use ad rank to determine what campaign will deliver that product listing ad. And I think this is a big deal because shopping, or standard shopping as we'll call it, campaigns, they give you some additional information like all the keyword search. So you can use that in mind for negative keywords that you then could use in PMax negatives when that rolls out. But you can see more insight. You can see some of those search terms, and it really is just all natural search traffic, where PMax can show up on YouTube, it can show up on Shorts, you can show up in display, it can show up on apps. I mean, it's like the full gamut. So I like the fact that if your shopping campaigns have a better ad rank, or Google thinks it's going to do better than Performance Max, you can run both in conjunction with each other. I think this is a huge win, especially here on the cusp of Black Friday, Cyber Monday. And although it may be a little bit too late for this season, if you have any e-commerce needs, we're here to help here at Cypress North. So don't hesitate to reach out, and we wish you a very happy, healthy November.